What's up, guys? Welcome back to The Educated Barfly. My name is Leandro Demon Riva, and today we are going to be making a high five cocktail. The high five cocktail was created by Death & Company's Alex Day in 2005, and it is his brilliant take on a Hemingway Daiquiri. And since you guys really love that cocktail, I think you're going to love this cocktail. The other thing that I wanted to talk about was this awesome shaking set that I got from Barfly Mixology Gear. It's like gunmetal it's like gunmetal black. It's pretty awesome. And I got a matching strainer, which is pretty cool. So take a look at my show notes and you'll be able to see where I got it if you are interested. But it is pretty gosh darn good. All right, this cocktail is going to be pretty easy. First thing we're going to do is 1.5 ounces of Beefeater gin. Secondly, 1/2 ounce of Aperol. Followed up by 1 ounce of grapefruit juice. We're using ruby red. It would be, you want to kind of try and get the ruby red if you can. 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. And 1/2 ounce of lime juice. We're just going to add our ice. Lock our tin and shake. Oh, we got a nice lock on that. And then we are going to strain. Now, as you can see, I didn't double strain this thing. You know why? Because the Barfly Hawthorne strainer has a double amount of coils. It has a ton of coils. And so I wanted to test out how much ice it blocks out. And I got to tell you, I don't see any ice chips on top of there. It does a really good job. Now, usually I double strain anyway, just in case, because I like that clean look. But, and you know, a lot of people don't like the ice chips on top because they say it over dilutes. Actually, if you talk to Dave Arnold, he's a big proponent of the ice chips. Even if it over dilutes, he said, you think it over dilutes? Just drink your drink faster then. Let's take a sip and see what it is going to taste like. It tastes brilliant. So the simple syrup, it tastes like punch, basically. The simple syrup really mellows out the lime. You still do get the flavor of the lime, and the grapefruit and the Aperol are just really good buddies. And you also get a fair amount of the gin. That everything is like really balanced, plays really well together, pretty refreshing drink. As you can see, there's no garnish on it because what Alex Day says the garnish is? Garnish with a high five. So drink this drink and high five each other.